I'm getting a kick out of this. What people did before you the dentist take your teeth out? I just sit there and bite on your nerve the whole time. Anesthetic. They just pull them off. Yeah, I ain't going now.
Huh?
Don't go.
Missouri beat Georgia. They about to beat Georgia.
Who?
Missouri.
Missouri was undefeated, you know.
Yes, sir, but they about to beat Georgia.
Good.
46 to 20 something.
Boy, I tell you, this my whole side. This is now, I had a big pool of dribble in the pool. Like a piece of the dribble would go in my nose. I rub my nose. I said, oh no.
Oh, don't you worry about me.
Oh, come on, Sharon. There you go. Now don't you wear this shirt here no more. Look there. This Kinsey shirt.
It is.
Oh, why you got him on?
I didn't know that it was Kenzie's shirt.
Can I get a kiss? I love you very much, you know.
Daddy,
Yes.
Mama asked for the key.
And tell your daddy stop laughing.
I'm coming.